Alpha Team, this is Chief of Security Blanchard. Are you a sight for sore eyes? I've been holed up in the mansion since yesterday trying to organize a containment response. Now that you're here, let's lock down that AO. I'll track body cams and coordinate.
Max armor.
Pop goes the fucking weasel.
Residents are instructed to remain in their homes. All doors and windows should be secured. No one is to venture outside until instructions are held by civil or military emergency personnel. Do not interfere with the work being performed on your behalf.
Blanchard to Alpha. 3 Janus Sign staffers are missing somewhere in your AO. Locate and extract. I'm counting on their expertise to end this outbreak. Sorry you came here yet. Well, if anyone had to show up, I'm glad it was you.
Insta-kill.
Come here to fuck around. I could eat and shit you out for breakfast.
Kaboom! Tear them to pieces.
Good effect. Keep wasting those little shits on sight.
Fuck you. Your head in particular.
happen enough, but I knew you would come.
I'm Dr. Pericles Panos. Things to oversee dimensional research at Project Janus. And this is a little pocket of...
Bonus points.
That must have been Dennis Riffle. Church groundskeeper. Good guy. Seems his luck didn't stick around in the end, though. Wonder what the key's for.
Quicker than jamming C4 in your ear, and twice as entertaining.
Double points.
All right, Riffle. Let's see what you've been keeping locked up in here. A handbrake. What the hell did Riffle plan to do with that? Guess that one was done using his body.
Max armor.
That's what you get.
That's gonna attract some attention. Keep the hostiles clear. We need to build pressure behind that valve.
Stop you right there.
Crossed off the shop. This better be worth it.
That's what you get for acting like a fool.
Double points.
Okay, who wants a hug? Get the fuck out of my face! Too slick for you slow-ass bastard.
Bonus points.
Hold it together.
Let me guess, no refund, even if it does blow up in my
This
hands.
works. I will keep my promise to you.
couldn't wait your turn, could you?
Welcome to hell, Skidmark. Population? Yeah.
Insta-kill.
Hoo-ah! Feels like I could take on a whole fucking army. Right in the fucking dough.
Extraction bird in your AO. Limited time offer.
Normally you don't hear that much screaming. The vocal cords get all melted up.
Max ammo.
This is a lot more fun than being on the receiving end.
Jackpot. That's the wiring for the jet gun. I think that's everything we need for the jet gun. Let's head back to the motel and slap this thing together.
You've learned from the lesson.
Hey, need to shut down that pickup offer for now, team. Is that a design for a weapon? Looks like you already found some of the parts. A Thrust-A-Dime Model 23, huh? Definitely not Janus sanctioned. But that doesn't matter now, does it? Let's see what this thing can do.
I'm gonna show you fuckers just
That's
how this
Dr.
shit
Moline.
should be.
You joined the physics team last year. Nice enough guy, but weird. That's my call, Panos. Oh no. Dr. Pelletier. My favorite egghead. Not just book smart, but street smart. Panos, you got any theories about what caused this disaster?
Unfortunately not. I'm just the guy who tried to undo it. And is still trying.
Few things are more satisfying than turning the enemy's weapons against them.
Excellent. You have all three. Find a good place to assemble the LPG device.
Napalm will fuck you up, believe me.
Well, if I'm learning anything, it's that just because you're missing doesn't mean you're dead. Isn't that so? It's just a rhetorical question, that's all.
That which doesn't kill you makes you stronger. Guess what? I'm still here.
How does this LTG thing work?
Once the team activates it near an ether storm, you'll see. But seriously, the LTG summons high-value targets so we can steal their life energy.
Max ammo.
My colleagues managed to fill one ether canister before they, ran out of luck. You'll need to fill 2 more.
Portal beam
Wait
initializing.
for it. The LTG active, a portal will eventually open.
Never too old to be a bad motherfucker.
Defend the device! Don't let them crash the gateway before it opens!
Gateway portal stabilizing.
That HVT main hit hard from Payton. Light 'em up.
Wants to stay. Okay, calm down. different experiences at university.
Good, clean fun. Well, not clean per se.
Yes, he was formidable. But sometimes survival is about the friends you make. Oh, okay, fine. I'll shut up. You've got it on its heels. Lure it back and fill an ether canister. Energy is draining. Drop him where he stands.
Marks
Big guy is
ammo.
down.
And we are all still here. Didn't I tell you I just want to end this chaos? Wonderful. Rest assured, your hard work won't go unrewarded. Time to find and fill the last canister. To get your hands on it, you'll need a Strauss counter. I named them after the undisputed authority on dark ether energies. You really should look them up.
Young fuck never knew what hit. Any special maintenance instructions? I've been in bigger firefights than this, believe.
Everything you told me is true. You never should have taken this job.
Portal beam initializing.
One less mouth to feed.
Gateway portal stabilizing.
Fun sparring with you, chump.
Gonzo, show that HV2 what you're made of.
Harvest its energy.
Well, canister's still empty.
Language, Blanchard. This is only a minor setback.
Someone told me 2 heads were better than 1. Dumb fuck.
Exfil is available, Alpha Team.
Gateway portal stabilizing.
Your HVT showed up, Thanos. Don't think you regret it.
Looks like you gored up your buddies a bit.
Now that you've softened it, into an ether trap. Dark elemental particles can be hazardous to your health. He's neutralized it. That receiver dish under the canister means there are particle projectors nearby. Find them.
Thanos, is that enough dark ether energy?
Indeed, my SDG equipment can now end this nightmare. Or so I'm told. Max ammo. Yes. Now, double drive it back here before we lose that precious juice.
Thanos, when this is over, we'll need you to come in for debrief. That's an order, copy?
Well, Blanchard, you have your orders, and I have mine. That's one of the projectors we are looking for.
What exactly does it project?
Light elemental particles. They'll neutralize the dark energy surrounding the canister. But it takes some fine-tuning. The frequencies are temperamental.
Sorry, Alpha. Exfil helos needed elsewhere.
I hate it. But times and circumstances change. motherfucker.
Losing my mind. Am I?
Max Ammo.
Your skin falling off yet? Give it a minute. I'm still status. How about you fuckhead? That's right. Who wants the max salad? See, I'm a walking hard target.
Insta.
Body shots are for rookies.
Due to extraordinary circumstances, a mandatory ceasefire order is now in effect. Residents are instructed to remain in their homes. All doors and windows should be secured.
Someone took a wrong turn out of Dickville. Line
No
up
one
and
may
shut
venture
up.
outside until instructed to do so by civil or military
Oh
emergency
yeah!
personnel.
We got ourselves one full battle round.
Do not interfere with the mission before
You feeling the rush?
Thank you for your cooperation.
Max Armor.
When I rule this world, I'm bringing back air medals.
To your health. And mine. Showing off is just another perk of the job. All right, I'm feeling frisky. I'm gonna look back on this someday and grin my fucking ass off.
Got a one-way ticket back to base with your name on it.
Moment of truth, Alpha Team. Activate the simultaneous dimensional gateway. Do this right, and the SDG will unleash a neutralizing energy wave. And then, it's bye-bye, Dog Eater. That's right. Kill those undead bastards. Kill them all. Bingo! Every few kills empowers the SDG. Trust me, we want that orb to keep growing.
They sure as hell ain't sending their barrels. This gun is real mad now. Y'all better stand back.
Max armor.
Oh, it's just as you promised. The orb is growing.
You getting motion sickness? Good. How's your punk-ass corpse like that? Hey, spit it for us one more time. Making myself a target just feels backwards. Oh well. Enough bullshit from the peanut gallery. Oh yeah, jack shit.
Max ammo.
Welcome to the grinder, meathead.
At last, the end is nigh.
Shit. Just y'all wait till I'm back on my feet.
Alpha Team, how copy? Somebody tell me what just happened. Any station this net, what is your status? Thanos, if you've hurt them, I swear I'll...
No interruptions for this next part. Thank you, my friends, for volunteering to take my place here. Or, in your parlance, thank you for being voluntold. Now, if you will excuse me, I have a few scores to settle. Bye-bye, Dark Ether.